Hello everybody, today we'll talk about the disconnect switch, electrical disconnect switch, which is being used with the different mechanical equipments. We are using this disconnect switch to isolate the power on the mechanical equipment like VV, like HU, like exhaust fan, or whatever we have on the site. This is for proper maintenance because when the technician wants to make any maintenance for this mechanical equipment, so he wants to be sure there is no power connected to this mechanical equipment. And the best way we are using is the manual disconnect switch. As you can see here, we have here, this is the VAV unit. And we have two connections to this VAV, one for the BMS cable, which will be connected here to the actuator. And the other one, this is for the power connection to the VAV. This is 30 ampere disconnect switch, electrical disconnect switch, manually operating and for on and off.